Hello everybody. Hey, look at the latest in my series of Alice in Wonderland mosaics, Alice and the Caterpillar. This series are all based on the original black and white illustrations by Sir John Tenniel. So of course in the black and white illustration we don't know what colour the caterpillar is, but Lewis Carroll describes him in the text as a big blue caterpillar. He doesn't have a name, he's just a blue caterpillar. Okay, he's not that nice to Alice really. He's perceived as a teacher really. The first thing he says to her is, "Who are you?" He's asking her to question her own identity. And indeed, she's shrunk at this stage because she's eaten a cake, which was a pebble thrown at her by the lizard at the beginning of the book. So now she's shrunk. And he also advises her to eat some of the mushroom, which restores her to her normal size. Okay, so let's look at the mosaic. We've got the bright green grasses at the front in glass, and then I've continued with the grass behind, but in an unglazed porcelain. And I think that was a good choice because that really pushes it back, gives it depth, and allows everything else, including Alice, to come forward. The hookah tube is mosaiced in a bronze gold. It is gold leaf small tea, but it's bronze coloured. And I rather like the foxgloves again, which are some of my Marini put on a bell shape. I think this is a successful piece, and I wonder if Sir John Tenniel would think so too.